manufacturing company. I have like, 6 regions, and I have an international division, and I have a US division. And all this information comes in about the financials of these divisions and business units. It might be different because of accounting standards, the kind of product mix that they're selling, and all of that.
Mm-hmm.
All that needs to be collected. Any kind of anomalies, exceptions, trends that need to be mined from that data about how the business is going. That needs to be done. And then you need to like forecast what the next quarter looks like and the next year looks like. And then how do you break that down and send it back? Now, imagine how many people are involved in this whole process, right? Like aggregating this. And it's largely like multiple databases, spreadsheets, people manually making changes, running macros, lots of mistakes happen along the way. And then the predictions are pretty much like, well, last year was X, like, let's just put on 10% and predict for next year, and, put some seasonality, like maybe 2% down in like Q3, and we're good. Where like the agentic workflows can make a difference is like, hey, when you collect all this information, how do you reconcile? How do you combine it? How do you identify the anomalies? Because the models are very good. The machine learning models are very good at pattern recognition,
Mm-hmm.
right? So you need to point them in the right directions. Like, hey, like look at this data. These are the fields. This is what is normal, and anything outside that is like an anomaly, right? Like you don't have to go into a lot of detail as long as you're able to give some basic instructions, right? And then you set this up, uh, uh, and then the insights and the predictions and all of this is handled by an agentic workflow. Doesn't take the humans out of the loop, right? You're still, instead of needing like 20 people to do this, you need 2, right? But these 2 people are surrounded by digital agents. So it's a hybrid team. It's a team of a couple of experts, human experts, and a bunch of digital agents. And these human experts are kind of like orchestra conductors, right? So what today takes weeks can be done in like hours. It is quite repeatable. So the next time, if you are doing the same exercise every quarter, as long as you've built the entire workflow correctly, you can just click a button and it's all done. You don't have to do it manually.